Quentin. Quinn. Time to get up. Come on. First day of kindergarten. Time to wake up and get ready. You're tired. You stayed up too late. Come on. Let's go. We have to get dressed. You can wear your new sneakers today. I packed you your favorite snack. Come on. We have to go to Nana's. Are you ready for your first day? Quentin. This is so exciting, don't you think? Hmm? Do you want to eat breakfast here or at Nana's? Quinn, you have to get up.